The Raw Summer Club is happening this week. If you haven't got your kids signed up, hurry up and get them in today. And if you're volunteering and you're joining us this week to bless these kids and give them a great time, read the email you've been sent. It's got all the details in there, what you need to know, all the key details. Have a read before you come along. It's going to be a great week. If you're not coming, please be praying for this week that it would be a blessed time for all the kids and for the adults too. This is a note for next Sunday where we're changing the services a little bit. Our morning 10:30 service will be happening as usual, but following that we'll be going to Hickman Park for a picnic. So there won't be an evening service that week at 5 p.m. That is not happening. It's just the morning service followed by Hickman Park picnic. See you there. All of our weekly activities are going to be taking a little break over the summer. That includes all our activities of GForce with the kids, Oneighty with the youth, Noah's Ark with the toddlers, companions and welcome brew. But don't worry, we'll all be back in September. Have a great summer's break. Young adults, if you're aged 18 to 30, then this is for you. Our annual Summer Hangout is coming and it's this Saturday, the 1st of August. So come along. We're going to be having an East Park where we're just going to come together. Food is all catered for you. You just got to bring yourselves and bring the summer vibes. So we're going to play games at the park. We're going to eat food. We're going to have drinks. We're going to hang out and we're going to have a great time. So come along. It's happening from 3 till 8. You don't have to come for the whole time. You can come for an hour or two or however long you can stay for. We just want to see you there. It's a great opportunity for us to build community together and have some fun in the sun. So there's a sign up. You have to sign up to come along so we know who's coming for catering purposes. And it's £3 a ticket. So why not invite your friends along? Why not bless them and pay for their ticket to come as well? Come along. It's going to be a great time. Can't wait to see you there to eat lots of food. That's all for church news, but don't forget this Wednesday there's no Connect group or anything happening now over the summer during the week because it's the summer holidays. So go and enjoy yourselves and have a great rest of your week.